तर्जमान दफ्तर खारजा ने ऑपरेशन बुन्यान मरसूस में शाहीन मेज़ाइल इस्तेमाल करने के भारती दावे मुस्तरद कर दिए। वाज़ेह किया कि भारतीय इल्ज़ामात इलाक़े कशीदगी को हवा देने की एक कोशिश हैं।
Ministry of Foreign Affairs has firmly rejected the unfounded allegations circulating in certain segments of Indian media, which falsely claim that Pakistan employed Shaheen missile during Operation Bunyān Mursūs. These claims originated following the release of a video by Indian Army's official Twitter handle, replete with distortions, misrepresentations, and inflammatory rhetoric, are clearly aimed at stoking regional tensions for narrow political gains. Resorting to threats and boasting about military action against a sovereign nation is a grave breach of United Nations Charter. Pakistan remains a consistent and proactive partner in the global fight against terrorism. The international community must take serious note of India's aggressive posture and hate-driven narratives that threaten regional peace.